Hi, I'm Master Chef.
And I'm not gonna poison this food. And this is Kitchen Nightmare. Please don't sue us. It's spelled differently. And today we're gonna be making
Brookies.
cupcakes. What? No,
No.
I thought you said cupcakes.
No.
Hey, I told you this is my show. In order to make Brookies, you're gonna need brownie mix, cookie mix, butter, water, and an egg. You missed.
The most important thing about baking is washing your hands. Mr. I'm not going to poison it, is going to demonstrate.
First, we're gonna preheat our oven to 325 degrees.
The heat from the oven helps to physical and chemically change our Brookies' edibility.
So first, we're gonna put in our bag of cookie mix. Then, okay, let's just pour that in there. Nice. Okay. Then we're gonna add 1/2 stick of softened butter. Make sure you get all the butter in there. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of water.
Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water.
Okay, now we're gonna stir.
Time-lapse music, time-lapse music, time-lapse music.
Stirring all the ingredients together in the brownie makes a homogeneous mixture where all the ingredients are evenly distributed.
So, this is going to be a heterogeneous mixture for 2 reasons. One, the actual cookie dough is a heterogeneous mixture of dough to chocolate chips. Since the dough and the chocolate chips can never really become part of each other, and they can never really fuse together as the brownie mix did, it's heterogeneous. Plus, it's going to be like heterogeneous inception, because it's going to be a heterogeneous cookie dough inside the brownie, which is going to turn the actual brookie into a heterogeneous substance. So we're going to scoop off these little... Okay, so the next part is we're going to pop this preposterously petite pan into the oven here.
Pterodactyl!
Everyone is going really fast. That's a thing called a time-lapse. We're not actually moving really fast. We can't physically do all that. It's an editing trick that you do with your phone, and you record, and it's like...
We interrupt this time-lapse to deliver a very important message. Many changes have gone on inside the Brookies, physical and chemical. Now, our cookie expert will discuss what is going on in the cookie portion of our Brookie. Thanks, Micah! As the butter in the cookie melts, the water and the fat inside the butter want to separate from each other. This process is called emulsion, and it causes the cookie to spread over the brownie mix. Then, the egg white will heat up, causing the dough to become squishy. As the egg white solidifies, the water inside the cookie evaporates, causing pockets of air and cracks all over the top of the cookie. Then, the chocolate melts, filling in some of the cracks and some of the pockets of air, and becoming more part of the cookie instead of being on top of it. Then, the whole cookie becomes nice and crispy, and kind of becomes one with the Brookie. As it sinks in, it solidifies into the Brookie and is now part of it. But now, for the brownie side of things, our other expert, Micah. Thanks, Micah. As the baking soda in the brownie heats up, one of the counterparts of the baking soda is CO2, which is created. When that's created, it tries to escape out of the brownie, causing the brownie to become fluffy and creating cracks throughout the surface. But because of how much density and how much actual brownie mix there is, it doesn't bake all the way through the brownie, leaving a thick, crispy outside surface with a nice, squishy inside. Thanks, Micah. We will now be taking you back to your regularly scheduled timeline.
And it's like a setting, it makes everything go really fast. It's a thing that people do when they want to convey a lot of information. Time-lapse music.
So this next step is very important because you don't want to climb in the oven and eat the brownies because then you'll die. So what you have to do is you have to open the oven and then you have to take them out. Now that we're done, we let it sit for about 5 minutes to cool down so we can eat it. And now let's try these things.
Wait, is he wearing a different mask than earlier?
Oh well.
What?